Virtuo Vivo implant workflow. Understand how to create the implant prescription. Get familiar with the steps to acquire the Emergence profile scan. Learn how to export your case directly to your laboratory. Select New Case. Add patient information. Add your prescription to the tooth on the dental chart. You can use multiple selections if the same prescription applies to multiple teeth. Make sure to select the right implant family and platform, as for Straumann Antegear and Neodent, to ensure the scan is of good quality. Once the implant is selected, the software will automatically add an Emergence profile scan to your scan sequence. Click Next to start your scan. Follow the scan sequence. Follow the recommended scanning technique. Emergence profile scan. Remove the healing cap and acquire the Emergence profile of the implant. Review your Emergence profile scan. Make sure to have acquired enough adjacent teeth as well as 3 to 4 mm of gingiva everywhere. Scan the bite prior to screwing on your scan body for easier bite acquisition. Reconnect the handpiece on the upper and acquire 3 to 4 teeth with 3 to 4 mm of gingiva. The Emergence profile scan is reloaded in the corresponding arch tab. Screw on the scan body and reconnect the handpiece on a tooth already acquired and add the scan body data to your scan. For Straumann, Antegear and Neodent scan bodies, use the Validate Implant tab to validate the geometry of the scan body. Click on the Validate Implant tab, then on the top flat surface of the scan body. The green checkmark confirms the implant validation. Review the alignment of the arches. The implant validation step can also be done in the review screen. Select the tooth tagging tool and tag one tooth at a time by selecting the tooth number and then clicking on the top flat surface of the scan body. Add a due date to your case. Select Straumann Access Export to export your case to your desired laboratories. Click Export. Once exported, Straumann Access will be launched for you to export your case to your desired laboratory. Select your laboratory and hit Send. The status will show in validation to confirm the lab has received the patient case. Select No Treatment Plan for any other treatment. Note that the patient information can also be edited from the plan editor. Simply click on Remove Patient to edit the patient info.